Hey there, automotive audio enthusiasts. Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we've got something special for you. The Pioneer TS-F1634R. A set of two-way coaxial car audio speakers that promise enhanced bass response and easy installation. Are these the best 6-inch car speakers for bass on the market? Let's find out. First things first, let's talk about power handling. These speakers can deliver a whopping 200 watts of power, with a nominal rating of 25 watts. That means they're ready to pump up your car audio system with some serious sound. What makes these speakers special is their two-way coaxial design. They integrate both a woofer and a tweeter into a single unit, delivering a balanced sound spectrum. This ensures a full range of frequencies for a more immersive driving experience. Now, the sensitivity rating of 88 decibels is impressive. It means these speakers can produce clear and loud sounds even with lower power inputs. So, no distortion, even at higher volume levels. Your music will sound crisp and clean. Installation is a breeze. These speakers are designed with a standard 6.5-inch diameter, fitting seamlessly into most car interiors. You get versatility without compromising on performance, making them an ideal choice for various vehicle models. And let's not forget the sleek black finish, which not only enhances aesthetics but also complements the interior of any vehicle. Style and high-quality sound. That's what you'll get with these Pioneer speakers. But remember, these speakers are designed for use in the US. If you're abroad, you might need an adapter or converter, so please check compatibility before purchasing. Now, here's the deal. These Pioneer TS-F1634R speakers are available at a fantastic price on Amazon, and they even offer free Prime shipping. You can grab a set for yourself, and I've left a link in the video description for your convenience. So there you have it, folks. The Pioneer TS-F1634R two-way coaxial car audio speakers are the best 6-inch car speakers for bass, offering style, power, and performance. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more awesome product reviews here on Product Critique. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, drive safe and enjoy your music.